Springfield police arresting a juvenile wearing GPS monitor on gun charges. On Friday evening, officers seizing a loaded machine gun and a 50-round drum magazine from a 17-year-old male. Officers receiving tips that the juvenile was illegally in possession of a firearm and was located in a vehicle in the area of Montpelier and Niagara Streets. Detectives found the firearms inside of the car, and the juvenile was placed under arrest. Now, due to his age, his name, booking photo, and specific charges will not be released.